there, Christina with WTI, and I want to share something with you that has helped me so very much with hormones. It's the Progesta-Care progesterone cream from Life-Flo. This stuff has done wonders for me. I feel like my emotions are more balanced out throughout the month. I feel like I have better sleep. And I'm just really so grateful for it. It actually gives you exactly 20 milligrams of progesterone, USP. It's a natural product. So with each pump, that's what you're getting. It is the 4 fluid ounces. They have the 2 ounces as well. It's just been so great. So what you do, or what I do, following the directions, is you just rotate each day. So you can put it on your chest, you can put it on your inner thigh, you can put it on the inside of your arm, or on your abdomen. And what I do is I just take it 3 weeks out of the month. I stop when I'm about to start my menstrual cycle. And then when I'm finished with that, I start it again. And I've seen such a difference. I highly recommend it if you are having any issues with hormones or menopause. It was a lifesaver for me. And that is my point of view.